Yn gynta, y person sy'n dod i eistedd ar y soffa ydy Gareth Roberts o Cared at Iaith.
Fi'n caru Gareth Roberts.
Oedd Gareth yn cyflwyno y rhaglenni cynta i ddysgwyr ar S4C.
No way.
Ac mae Gareth yn amlwg yn gweithio ar y rygbi ar S4C.
He works on the rugby a lot.
Ond yn bwysicach na dim, more importantly, Cared at Iaith.
Yeah.
Felly, beth dyn ni'n mynd i ofyn i Gareth? Beth yn mynd i edrych ar y sgrin?
Oh, too late.
Right. Iawn ta. Cwestiwn yma iawn, cyffredinol, what did you enjoy about?
Okay.
About anything you want, iawn? So, mae dwy fersiwn yn y de, in South Wales. They can use it in y gogledd as well, but this is the long version, see? So what we've done is, beth fwynhauais ti? So the word mwynhau, like joio, all we've done is put the tense, talking about what did you enjoy at the end, see? So beth fwynhauais ti?
Which one is the North Wales?
Top.
Top is North.
Gogledd.
Oh, that's how you've done that. Okay, and South, well, I would easily go for the North Wales again.
Yeah?
Yeah, beth fwynhauais ti. It's a bit of a fwynhau.
Ydy'n anodd, ydy?
Yeah, yes.
Ond mae'n bwysig i ti ddeall, good for you to understand it.
Yes.
So, Matt, beth fwynhauais ti am
Fwynhauais
hop?
ti.
Perffaith, iawn. Felly am rwan, sticio gyda beth nes ti fwynhau
Can I click
am
my
Cared.
fingers for the next screen?
Barod? Okay, right. Trauma, instead of saying what did you enjoy, really general, we're going to ask which such and such did you enjoy? Because we did loads of stuff ar Cared at Iaith. Heriau, challenges, gweithgareddau, activities.
Activities.
Ti'n cofio?
Yn y bar, yn y pub.
Ac yn y dosbarth.
Canu.
Ie,
Yn y
ti'n
nos.
iawn. Felly, pa her nes ti fwynhau? Which challenge did you enjoy?
Her. Her is challenge, is it? Oh, I didn't know that.
Her.
It's such a small word for a big word.
Ti'n licio her?
Her.
Dwi'n licio her.
Okay. Pa her nes ti fwynhau? Ti'n joio? Neu ti'n joio?
Nes ti joio. Wyt ti'n cofio beth ydi activities?
Oh, no, it's gone. I wish.
Gweithgareddau.
Gweithgareddau.
Ti'n cofio? So,
This is why I didn't win Cared at Iaith.
pa weithgaredd nes ti fwynhau?
Pa weithgaredd?
Weithgaredd.
Weithgaredd nes ti joio?
Fwynhau Gareth.
Gareth.
Pa weithgaredd nes
Don't
ti
do that
fwynhau
face.
Gareth?
It's weird.
It's week 10, we've gone a bit mad.
We've gone a bit mad.
Neu,
Baby brain, you can blame that on.
Yn y de, in South Wales, pa weithgaredd fwynhauais ti?
Okay, pa... Oh, I'm not going to do activities. Weith...
Garedd.
Gareth.
Na i ofyn y cwestiwn yna.
Please.
Right,
Weith
ta.
Gareth fy nes ti.
Ar y nodyn yna, I think we're ready for Gareth. Well, nearly. Pa weithgaredd.
Can we see some clips of him?
Yeah, ti'n gwybod, mae Gareth wedi bod ar S4C ers 10 mlynedd ar hugain.
Wow.
30 o flynyddoedd.
That's a long time.
30 years.
30 years.
Gwyliwch hwn.